Bonjour mes amis, je m'appelle Anurag Petlia. Hello my dear friends, my name is Anurag Petlia and welcome back to Apprendre Français. This video is in association with Sanatan Prani Seva Sansthan. It's a small foundation which does some social activities like planting trees, providing books, free books to the needy children, providing food to the needy persons, and giving some self-defense techniques, etc. So let's get started with our video number 4, verb être. First of all, we have to know the meaning of être. Être means to be. So we will see how it is conjugated, how it is written, and how it is pronounced. So first is je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are. Elles sont, they are. The difference between these two is also it is used when the group of peoples are masculine, or this is used when the group of people is feminine. So now we will see how it is used. When we are talking about ourselves, only a single person, for example, I am talking about me, so I will use je suis. Suppose I am saying that I am Indian, so I will say je suis Indian. The pronunciation of India and other nationalities and countries, we will talk about that in the later videos. First, I am giving some example only. So if I want to say that I am Indian, so I will say je suis français. Now if we somebody else, like there's my friend, I'm saying that you are Indian, I'm asking a question, so it will be tu es Indien. Okay, we have done these subject pronouns in the last video or in the previous video, which I have uploaded I think last day, the previous day, or the day before yesterday, I don't think so, but we have talked these subject in that video only. Je means I, tu means you, il means he, elle means she, nous means we, vous means you, ils means they, and else means they. These are common in all the verbs. We will be studying more verbs in the later videos. First we will focus on the être. So here je suis, tu es. Now il and la, it is used when the subject is, or the person who is speaking, whom we are speaking about, is masculine, singular, then he is. And if they, a group of people who are masculine, then they are. La, it is used when we are talking about a person who is singular and feminine, that is, if we are talking about a girl, then this will be used la, and if a group of girl, then they are. But in these two, it is not necessary the group should be all male, all female. A group can be of both male and female. So in that case, we can use both these, ilzo, elzo. It is same in all verbs. We will be studying that later. So let's see. La, he is. La, she is. Now if there is a group in which I am including me also, so I will say nous sommes, that is we are. Like if I am saying we are Indians, so I will say nous sommes Indiens. It will not be considered that the group consists of female, male both also, but it will be nous sommes Indiens. Now if there is someone who is elder than you or whom you don't know, then we will use vous. So here vous êtes, you are. Both are same, but the difference is it is also used when we are talking about that like your two friends are coming. So when if you want to ask some questions from your friends, two friends, so you will use vous êtes, not tu es. Tu is for singular and vous êtes is for plural. So if you are asking two persons whether you are Indian or not, so you will ask vous êtes and the end. Okay, then also and also I have explained it already, but I will repeat it. Also is used for masculine plural, or simply we can say plural, that is a group of people. Like we are talking about a group of people that they are Indian or they are French, so we will say ils ont français. It is not considered that if there is a female present in that group or a, or it is not necessary to be of specific gender. The gender can be both male and female. We can use in that case both of these, both also and also. So let's repeat the pronunciation. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, and also. Now we will consider some examples in the next slide. See, here are three persons: Anish, Manuel, and Caroline. Now Anish is asking from Manuel, "Salut Manuel." Salut means hi, and Manuel is a name. So salut Manuel, hello Manuel. Tu es anglais? He is asking that he belongs to England. So the conversation is between two persons, so here he has used tu es anglais, that you belong to French or you belong to England. So Manuel replied no means no. We have done this in the last video. Je suis français, I am French. Now he's saying that he belongs to France. Now Anish asks, and Caroline? A means here and Caroline is a name. So he is asking about Caroline also. And Caroline, now Caroline says, Manuel et moi sommes français. She is saying that Manuel and me are French. Now you can see here that Manuel is male and moi refers to Caroline. Caroline is female. So here both male and female are present, but the verb is sont. We have seen here sont, both are similar in this. So here also sont français. Okay. Then Anish is saying voilà le professeur. Voilà means there is, or le professeur means the teacher or the professor. So he says there is the professor. Manuel says le prof means the professor. Il est français, he is French. Manuel says that the professor, he is French. It means that he want to say the professor belongs to France. Now consider some more examples. These examples I have given because I have prepared a worksheet for you, and if you want to solve them, you can. I will be giving a link in the description. You can go through that link and get the worksheet. Now see here, Pauline. Pauline is a girl, so that's why here L-A Bell. Now here, ce sont Danny et Pascal. Dennis and Pascal, both are boys and they are third person. So here it will be used ils. If they both are girls, then else. And if one boy and one girl, for example, if in place of Dennis if there would be Pauline, then here it can be else or else, both are correct. These two examples are the point of view of worksheet, because I have given some sentences like this also. So if you feel any problem, you can message me or call me at my number given in the description or at my website, or you can mail me at my mail id anuragpatlia2304@gmail.com. Okay, so today in this video we have learned these vocabulary. Anglais. Anglais means Englishman, a person who belongs to England or whose nationality is England. So here it is masculine. Then Français. Français means French. It means here Anglais also means English, and Français means French or Frenchman, a person who belongs to France, and masculine. Voila. Voila means there is or there are. Et. Et means end. And professor. Professor means teacher or professor. So let's see again the conversation. Anish. Salut Manuel. Tu es anglais? Manuel. Non, je suis français. Anish. Et Caroline? Caroline. Manuel et moi sommes français. Anish. Voilà le professeur. Manuel. Le prof, il est français. Now I think it is pretty clear. So thanks for watching, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video as much as you can. And if you want to support this foundation, a Paytm number is given in the description link. You can give them support by giving a small amount or as you wish, and you can watch their videos also on the YouTube channel. You can join their WhatsApp group, or you can follow their Instagram page. Thank you for watching.